Today, we are here at SunState Rental Equipment Company doing XPEL's Blend 7 commercial reflective window film. Now, the needs for this project was heat, glare, UV, and privacy. We went with blend reflective film because unlike traditional reflective films, this one is a little bit of a darker tone, so it doesn't stand out and pop, which looks really nice against the building and the bricks behind this wall, as you see right there. This is Blend 7 commercial window film. Now, this is very unique because it's called a dual reflective film, meaning it's a two-tone film. From the inside looking out, it is more black so that you can see out and maintain a lot of that clarity, but from the outside looking in, is reflective, and it redirects a lot of that energy right back out, keeping the inside spaces cool. Now, let me show you how that's gonna work. We're standing right outside, and I'm gonna use this as the background, but as the sun is coming down, watch how the sun is gonna reflect off of the film. You see that right here? That's the solar energy being deflected right off, and that's what you want when it comes to getting the inside of the space a lot cooler. This is called a blend reflective film because it blends the look of a natural neutral film with the benefits of a reflective film without it standing out so much, making the building look good and not a super bright mirror like traditional reflective films. This is Blend 7, squeegee that. Take a look at the differences between a non-tinted glass and a tinted version. This one right here is a non-tinted version. This has the factory smoked glass that came out of the window manufacturer itself. You could see our installer Pete on the other side working on his window, but let's go take a look at one that does have the tint to look at the difference. This one right here has the film applied to it, the Blend DR7 installed on the inside of it. The color doesn't look that much different. Maybe there's a slight more reflection, but not really anything noticeable as we go back to the one that's not tinted. And you can see there's not a huge difference in both of the films and both of the windows. That's why Blend is really popular, because it doesn't pop like traditional reflective films. It blends the reflective with the neutral appearance. Squeegee that.